In the dark where the light don't reach, press so tight, nowhere to breathe. Hear the voices calling out, set us free, let the world be found. All the brothers had their say, some said tear it all away, but Tāne stood and chose a way. Lift them up and bring the day. Push the sky, let the light fall in. Roots below, let the life begin. From the dark, now we're breaking through. Te Ao Mārama rising new. Push the sky, hear the heavens cry. Rain falls down from a broken sky. Still we stand, still we grow. From the pain into the glow. Feet to the sky and he held the line. Slow push up, sacred design. Ranginui cries, you can hear it fall. Papa breathes underneath it all. Morning mist like a soft goodbye. Love still lives though they split the sky. Not the end, just another side. Life was born from the sacrifice. As the wild wind blew, trees bend low, but they don't break down. Tāne roots keep them in the ground. From the clash came a balance true. That's the way life is moving through. Sometimes you break to begin again. Sometimes you lose, then you rise again. Darkness fades when you call the flame. Speak the light, remember the name. Push the sky, let the light fall in. Roots below, let the life begin. Te Ao, call it through. Te Ao Mārama rising you. Push the sky, we carry the pain. Turn that loss into power again.